In public service. I did not prepare any speech or introductory statement para sa ating guest speaker. But before I will present our guest speaker, Ma'am, this is the group of the Citizens Information Assistance Bayanihan with membership nationwide. Ang nakikita mo ngayon ay galing pa sa Mindanao, Lanao, Samar, Dapitan, Cotabato, Jensen, Bicol, hanggang Cagayan po. All leaders, national, regional, provincial, and city officials, they will be taking their oath. Ito po, sa harapan po ninyo. And this is an active organization that is helping the government. General Loser, thank you very much dahil sa tulong mo sa amin for accrediting the CA Bayanihan as force multiplier. Sir Ariola, sir. Our sirs from the NICA, the Assistant Director General, si